Today we are going to discuss about the polyploidy. Today we are going to discuss about the polyploidy, or they are also known as polyploids. Polyploids. The polyploids means these are the organism with more than two genomes. The organism with more than two genomes. Okay. Two genomes means a set of chromosomes. So instead of the 2n, they are the 3n, 4n, 5n, 6n and so on. Okay. So they have the more than the two basic set of chromosomes or more than two genomes. So such organisms, they are known as the polyploids, or this condition is known as a polyploidy. Okay. So for example, in the rose, the genus Rosa. Okay, the rose plant, genus Rosa, it includes the species with the somatic number, it may be, or it has the chromosome number 24. That is the basic set, it is the 7. Okay, the single basic set, it is the 7. That means n is equal to 7. But they have the 14, 21, 28. It has this rows, it has the 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 56. That means the multiple of the 7. Multiple of the 7. 7 14, 17, 21, 28, 35, 42, 37, 56. Okay. So multiple of the 7. So these numbers, they are the multiples of the 7s. So these are the polyploids. Okay. So we can say that it is the euploid. It is the euploid series of the basic monoploid. Series of basic monoploid. Basic monoploid, it is the 7. Okay. And it is the diploid. And then all these, they are the polyploids. Okay. So they can be the diploid, triploid, tetraploid, pentaploid, hexaploid, heptaploid, octaploid, etc. Okay. So in this way, there are the number of polyploid series in the rose plant or in the genus Rosa. Then another example, that is the wheat. The wheat is hexaploid. That means it has the 6n, or we can say that 6 years. Okay. Then the strawberry. The next example, strawberries. So they have the 6 years, or they have the 8n, or the 8 years. Okay. They are the octaploid. So there are the number of such examples of the polyploid. Okay. The polyploids, they are of two types. The polyploids, they are of two types. So which are the two types? The number one, that is autopolyploid or autopolyploidy, and the second, that is allopolyploidy. Okay. The autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. The autopolyploidy means what? The autopolyploidy means they have the similar set of chromosomes. Okay. For example, A. And allopolyploids, they have the different set of chromosomes. They have the different set of chromosomes. For example, A, B, C. So they have the different set of chromosomes. So they are the allopolyploids. Autopolyploids, they have the similar set of chromosomes. Okay. So then the characteristics of polyploids. Characteristics of polyploid. Okay, these are the types of polyploids. Then characteristics of the polyploids. So first of all, the polyploid plants, they contain the large sized pollen grains. Okay, they have large sized pollen grains. Their cells as well as the xylem also they have the large size. That means the overall plant is of larger size. Then the second, leaves and stomata, they are also larger. Leaves and stomata also larger. Okay. Then these plants, they are more vigorous than the diploid plant. They are more vigorous. More vigorous म्हणजे जास्त जोमाने वाढणार. दे आर मोर विगरस म्हणजे जास्त जोमाने वाढणार. त्या डिप्लॉइड प्लांट पेक्षा ते जास्त जोराने म्हणजे गॅगॅन्टिक बॉडी या ठिकाणी आपण ज्याला म्हणतो असे या ठिकाणी विगरसली त्या ठिकाणी ते वाढतात. ओके, देअर इज द वन एक्झाम्पल, द कॅबेज अँड टोमॅटो. ओके, सो दे आर द टेट्राप्लॉइड्स. सो दिस tetraploid, cabbage and tomato. The tetraploid, cabbage and tomato, they contain the higher ascorbic acid. They contain the higher ascorbic acid. Okay, so the tetraploids, they produce the more larger amount of everything. Then the next, the corn meal. Okay, the corn meal of the tetraploid, the corn meal of tetraploid म्हणजे टेट्राप्लॉइड पासून जे कॉर्न मिल तयार केलं जातं तर या ठिकाणी जे कॉर्न टेट्राप्लॉइड असतं त्याच्यापासून जे मिल तयार केलं जातं तर जनरली द मेज सीड दे कंटेन मोर दॅन 40% ऑफ विटामिन ए. ओके, टेट्राप्लॉइड मेज पासून जे कॉर्न मिल म्हणजे मक्यापासून तयार केलेलं अन्न. So the tetraploid maize, the corn meal which are produced from the tetraploid maize seed, okay, they contain 40% more vitamin A. 40% more vitamin A than the corn meal from the diploid plant. Okay. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी टेट्राप्लॉइड मेज जो आहे त्याच्यापासून जे अन्न तयार केलं जातं कॉर्न मिल त्याच्यामध्ये 40% मोर विटामिन ए असलेलं दिसून येतं कशापेक्षा नॉर्मल डिप्लॉइड प्लांट पेक्षा. ओके, सो देर आर सम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर. लार्ज साइज्ड pollen grain, cell and xylem. Leaves, tomato, they are also larger. They are more vigorous. Tetraploid, cabbage and tomato, they have the higher ascorbic acid. Corn meal of the tetraploid maize, they contain 40% more vitamin A than the diploid plant. Then it has some other characters also. These polyploids, they show the reduced fertility. Reduced fertility. It shows the reduced fertility. Okay. Then they are gigantic. They show gigantism. Gigantism. The gigantism means they are extra large. Okay, gigantic personality. आपण म्हणतो ना gigantic, large, very large. So they show, the polyploids shows the gigantism. Okay, gigantism. So they have reduced fertility and they show the gigantism. So these are the general characteristic features of the polyploids. Now we will discuss about the autopolyploids. Okay, we will discuss about the autopolyploids. Autopolyploids. The autopolyploids means they having the more than two basic set of chromosomes, and these genomes they are exactly the same. Okay, the polyploids, they are the polyploids. Polyploids means more basic sets of chromosome, more set of chromosome, and all sets are similar. They are called as the autopolyploids. For example, A, whatever it may be, it has a single set of the chromosome. A similar set of chromosome, not single. A similar set of the chromosome. So they are known as the autopolyploids. Okay. There are the different types of the autopolyploids. Okay, types. They are autotriploids. They are the autotriploids. They having the three similar sets, three similar set of genome of the chromosome. Okay, that is A, and A. Okay, then autotetraploid. Autotetraploid. They having the four similar. They having the four four similar set of chromosomes. That is A, and A. Okay. Then autohexaploids. That means they have the six similar set of chromosomes. So A, A. Okay. Autohexaploids. So these are the different types of the autopolyploids. Autotriploids, autotetraploids, and autohexaploids. Okay. Then origin and production of autopolyploids. How they originate? So origin and the production. Autopolyploids. Okay. So generally autopolyploids they may occur in nature, may be artificially or they may be naturally. Okay. So autopolyploids they may occur in nature or they may be artificially. So they may be the natural or artificial. They may be the natural or artificial. Okay. There are the number of examples of these autopolyploids. So the first, that is the natural autotriploids. Natural autotriploid. There are the number of examples of this. So watermelon, tarboos, okay, sugar beet, बीट ज्याला आपण म्हणतो मी शुगर बीट, टोमॅटो, grapes, and banana. So these are the some of the natural autotriploids. Okay. Then autotetraploids. Natural autotetraploids. Natural autotetraploids. Okay. So natural autotetraploids, there are the number of examples like the rye, then corn, then red clover. So these are the examples. These are the Examples of the natural autotetraploids. Okay, natural autotetraploids. Okay, then there are some another examples also, that are the marigold, the zhendu. Okay, then snapdragon, त्याला आपण पडवळ म्हणतो. ओके, grapes, large sized grapes, and the apples. So these are the examples of the autotetraploids. Okay, then so how this naturally they are produced? When there is the failure, when there is a failure in the spindle fiber formation. If there is no spindle fiber formation, the chromosomes they do not get separate in the process of the meiosis. That is in the process of meiosis, like metaphase, anaphase, or telophase, or further phase. Okay, and when the chromosomes they do not get separated, they remain as it is in the gametes. And when there is a fertilization, there is addition of one more or extra sets from the another parent also. So, or another partner also. So they get the additional chromosomal sets. So they occur naturally, or they may be the artificially. So how they artificially induced? So the artificially, when such cells, or when the cells they are treated with the zygotic cells, when they are treated with the colchicine. Okay, they are treated with the colchicine. This colchicine is a drug. It is the aqueous colchicine. It is the drug which is derived from a plant, or it is derived from the corn. Okay, it is the drug derived from a plant, and that plant is known as, it is the form of that plant that is known as the Colchicum autumnale. Colchicum autumnale, or the Colchicum luteum. Colchicum autumnale or the Colchicum luteum. From that plant's corm, this drug is derived, that is known as the colchicine, aqueous colchicine. And when this treatment of this colchicine is given to the zygote cell, the chromosome numbers they get doubled. Okay, or they may prevent, or before the meiosis, when the treatments they are given, then the cells, before the gamete formation, the cells they get failure of the spindle formation. And when there is a spindle formation, the failure of the spindle formation, the chromosomes they do not get separated from one another, and therefore the gametes they are formed with the extra chromosomes. Okay, and due to that, when the fertilization takes place, the similar or different types of the such separated gametes, then there is show the increasing number of the chromosomes. Okay, so by this way, the artificially induced polyploids they are produced. Then effects. लक्षात आलं ना तुम्हाला? कोल्चिसिन नावाचा जो ड्रग आहे, जो कोल्चिकम नावाच्या प्लांटच्या कॉर्न पासून त्या ठिकाणी मिळवलं जातं, त्याची जर ट्रीटमेंट दिली तर समजा झायगोटिक सेल मध्ये जर सेल असेल तर त्याचे क्रोमोझोम नंबर डबल होतात, किंवा गॅमेट फॉर्मेशनच्या आधीच त्या ठिकाणी जर ते त्या सेल्सला पोलन मदर सेल्स आणि ओव्हम त्या सेल्सला त्या ठिकाणी जर ट्रीटमेंट दिली तर त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, त्यांच्यामध्ये स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन होत नाही. मियोसिस मध्ये जे स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन म्हणजे काय, या ठिकाणी आपण असं त्या ठिकाणी क्रोमोझोमसाठी या ठिकाणी मियोसिसच्या वेळेस दाखवतो ना, दॅट इज अ स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन. ओके, हे स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन त्या ठिकाणी काय करत असतं, हे क्रोमोझोम जे असतात तर अनाफेज मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी ते काय होत असतात, त्या ठिकाणी ते एकमेकांपासून सेपरेट होत असतात. ओके, तर हे स्पिंडल फायबरच त्या ठिकाणी तयार झाले नाही, तर त्या ठिकाणी म्हणजे क्रोमोझोम अटॅच होऊन एकमेकापासून त्या ठिकाणी मेटाफेजला एकत्र परत त्या ठिकाणी ते सेपरेट होण्याचा प्रश्न येत नाही. टू सेट त्या ठिकाणी हा टू सेट तयार न झाल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, त्या ठिकाणी सगळे क्रोमोझोम सेल्स आत तसेच राहतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, त्या ठिकाणी सेट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम त्या ठिकाणी सिंगल होण्याच्या ऐवजी डबल आहे तसंच राहते. ओके, आणि मग अशा प्रकारच्या गॅमेट्सचं युनियन जर सपोज सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम असलेल्या गॅमेट्स बरोबर झाला तर ट्रिप्लॉइड, जर त्याचाही डबल सेट असलेला असला तर मग याचा डबल त्याचा डबल म्हणजे टेट्राप्लॉइड, अशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी होतं. Then the effects of autopolyploids. Effects of autopolyploids. Okay, so the leaves, they are larger in size. The leaves, they are larger. Leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Leaves, flower, fruits, all these they are larger in size. Okay, than the diploid one. Then second, the cell size increases. Cell size increases. Okay, then there is increase in water content. Increase in water content. And due to that, what happens, when the water content is more or more water retained there, then there is the low osmotic pressure. And when there is a low osmotic pressure, the related phenomenon they are also there. Okay, that means the less absorption of the water. Okay, then due to the slower rate of the cell division, the plant growth also decreases. Plant growth decreases. Okay, why? Because or due to the slower rate of cell division. Okay, slower rate of cell division. Okay, so slower rate of the cell division, plant growth also decreases. Okay, and this leads to the decrease in oxygen supply and decrease in the respiration. Okay, this leads to decrease in oxygen supply. Oxygen, it is a plant hormone. Okay, the oxygen supply and the decrease in respiration. Decrease in respiration. Okay, so the next effects, the fifth one, the next effect, due to the slow growth rate, the time of blooming is also delayed. Okay, due to slow growth, टाइम ऑफ ब्लूमिंग. ब्लूमिंग म्हणजे त्याचं जे फ्लावरिंगला येण्याचा जो पिरियड आहे, दॅट इज द ब्लूमिंग पिरियड. ओके, सो दॅट ब्लूमिंग पिरियड जो आहे, टाइम ऑफ ब्लूमिंग also get delayed. The time of blooming of this autopolyploids, they get delayed. Okay, उशीर होतो त्या ठिकाणी. Then the higher polyploid levels, okay, higher polyploid level such as the autooctoploids. Autooctoploids means what? They have the 8x or 8n. Okay, whatever it may be. So these are lead to the date. They lead to the date. Okay. Then polyploid varieties, even with an even number, they are fully fertile. Okay. The autopolyploids with the even set of chromosomes are fertile. Okay, for example, the 4n, okay, they are the fertile. Okay, and when they have the odd number, when they have odd number, okay, odd number of set of chromosomes, okay, odd number of chromosome set, okay, for example 5n or 3n, 5n, etc. Okay, so they are non-fertile or they are sterile. They are sterile. Okay, so these are the effects of the autopolyploids. The first, the leaves are larger in size, flowers, fruits, they are also larger in size. Then cell size also increases, there is increase in water content, so there is the low osmotic pressure. The plant growth decreases due to the slower rate of the cell division. It leads to the decrease in oxygen supply and decrease in the respiration. Then due to slow growth, the time blooming is also get delayed. Autooctoploids, they may lead to the death. Autopolyploids with even set of chromosomes, they are the fertile, and when they have the odd number of the set of chromosomes, they are the sterile. Okay, so these are the effects of the autopolyploids. Okay, then the uses of autopolyploids. Uses. Okay, so in the induced polyploids or the polyploids which are induced by the colchicine treatments. Okay, so the fertility level of and the seed set, it is the low. Okay, so the fertility and the seed set is low. Okay, in the autopolyploids. Okay, in the induced. Induced, or we can say that in artificial. In induced or artificial autopolyploids, fertility and seed set is low, and so the seedless fruits can be produced. Seedless fruits can be produced. Okay, so for example, in watermelon, तरबूज. Okay, सो जर टरबूज खूप बिया असतील तर आपल्याला ते खाण्यासाठी खूप अनकम्फर्टेबल होतं, आणि जर त्याच्या बिया कमी असतील तर आपण इझिली त्या ठिकाणी त्याला खाऊ शकतो. म्हणून मग या ठिकाणी ट्रिप्लॉइड जे आहे, तर त्या ठिकाणी ट्रिप्लॉइड ऑटो ट्रिप्लॉइड वापरून त्या ठिकाणी जे ते वॉटरमेलन सीडलेस तयार केलं जातं. ओके, त्याचबरोबर या ठिकाणी अजूनही काही एक्झाम्पल आहे. द शुगर बीट, then tomato, then grapes, then autotetraploids such as, these are the examples of the autotriploids. Okay, these are the examples of autotriploids. There are certain examples of autotetraploids such as rye, apple, marigold, Hindu, okay, lily. These are the examples of autotetraploid. Okay, so such different examples of these autopolyploids. So I hope you got the points. So we will stop here.